Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making coconut curry chickpeas, and these are the list of ingredients that I'm going to use in this chickpea. So over here guys, I've got some cooked chickpeas. It's already cooked. I cook it like 2 days before so I could freeze it, and it's dry chickpeas. I've got some fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, white onion, tomato, trillions of garlic, lemon juice, coconut, spring onion, and some red bell pepper. And you know guys, I use natural coconut, so I'm gonna get the coconut out before I take out the inside and blend it. So yes guys, we're gonna just get started. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna prep all these ingredients. I'm gonna chop them up, and then I'm gonna take you along with me. So I see you then guys. Guys, I forget to mention ginger. Curry without ginger? No. So but yeah guys, you will see as I go along. So we're gonna chop. Welcome back guys. So over here guys, I've got my pot on, and I'm gonna add some cooking oil to that. Not a lot, just teaspoon of cooking oil. I'm just gonna allow that to melt before I added the rest of the ingredients in. So yeah, I don't want it on too much. I eat guys, just medium. So now I'm gonna add my garlic in, and I'm also gonna add my ginger. And I'm gonna saute that for two minutes before I add the rest of the ingredients. Now that it's sauteed guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients in. Red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, red onion, white onion, tomato, thyme, and some spring onion. I'm gonna add that all in and combine everything together. So I'm gonna let that saute down for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add the spices. So now I'm gonna add some turmeric, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon curry powder. Combine everything together. So you can see guys, all my seasoning's been sauteed and everything, and it's on low heat. So I'm gonna allow that to start. I'm gonna turn the stove up for a bit. And now we're gonna add the chickpea in, which is the garbanzo beans. And I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna use half of the chickpeas. That's how I want the paste to look guys. Wow. We're gonna go ahead guys, and we're gonna add the chickpeas in, and I want everything to be coated in the paste, in the curry paste. So as I said before, I'm not going to use all of this. So we're going to combine everything together now and add our coconut milk in. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the coconut milk in. And some water. Also going to add a cup of water guys. And I'm gonna allow that to cook, give it another stir, make sure everything is combined. At this point I don't add any salt in because I'm gonna use some vegan thingy guys. in there. You'll see. So I'm gonna pop the lid on, guys, for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add some stock in. So now, guys, I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in there. Not a lot, just a hip of lime juice to help bring out the flavor in there. And now, guys, I give it a taste already. It tasted so good, guys. I had some pumpkin to it, not a lot. I just did have a few pieces, and I just put it in there. You can see the coconut. That's why it's good to use natural coconut, guys. And it tastes so good, so good. And I didn't add any salt to this, guys, but feel free to go ahead and add salt to it. I'm just gonna add some vegan stock, and that's it. It tastes so good. It's really nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie, nice. Not because I'm a cook it, but it's nice. I'm just gonna add a pinch of it. I'm not gonna use one, just a pinch of. Tastes so good. I'm not lie, guys, it tastes good, really nice. So I'm just gonna pop back the lid on, put it on low heat, and let that cook some more for about 4 minutes, and then yes, we're gonna turn it off. So, guys, this is how you want the curry chickpea to look. You need to have a bit sauce, gravy in there. Depends on how many person you're cooking for. You can see, guys, so rich. Wow, tastes good. You can see, guys, yes, tastes really good. Gravy is so rich. The lemon juice helps to bring out the flavor in it, guys. So, guys, we're gonna plate up, and then you'll see the final product. So, guys, this is the final product of my coconut curry chickpea, and I'm having it with some rice and peas, some beetroot salad, fried plantain, avocado, and yes, guys. So, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, drop a comment down below. Please turn your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. I'm gonna go and big up on a nice self, guys. Guys, if you're gonna make this meal, this coconut curry chickpea, just drop me a comment and let me know. Right? So, guys, I'm still going to in my next video. Until then, guys, I'm gonna go and big up on a clean self. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys.